Hey Emily, so we're looking at exercise 543. Sometimes two words or variations of a word are mapped to the same response. Deal with this by mapping synonyms or related expressions to the same string so that you do not need multiple entries in the response map for the same response. So so we want to avoid multiple entries in the response map. So, and we want to be able to have the same thing. So what we want to see is this. When we say start, we want to, I made synonyms of expensive and costly. So I have expensive, and it says the cost of our products is quite competitive. And if I say costly, it says the same thing. And so what I wanted, so costly and expensive are synonyms, but in my responder, I only have one entry for expensive. I don't have a separate costly entry. So what I did was I created a synonym map. So let me just show you. So up here, I have a private hash map that's a synonym map. And in my constructor, I create the synonym map, and then I have this fill synonym map method that just goes in and puts in, I mean, you could put as many synonyms as you want, but I said costly is a synonym for expensive. And then in my, where is it? Generate response thing, what I did was, first I checked to see if the word I got is in the response map. And then if it's not, so if the response is not equal to null, I just return the response. If the response is null, if I go in here and I check my synonym map to see if the word is in the synonym map. Okay, so in other words, so the words that are directly, so slow, bug, expensive, so these guys can either get called directly, or I'll check to see if there's anything that's a synonym for expensive, or anything that's a synonym for slow, or a synonym for bug. Okay, so if I wanted to add a synonym for bug, for example, I would go ahead and say, oops, synonym map put defect, say, as a synonym for bug. Okay, so then if it got down to here, and so if you look for defect directly in the response map, you won't see defect, right? So you'll get the response is going to be null. So you're going to be in this else part. So then you look for defect in the synonym map, and it says, oh yeah, that's a bug. So then it tries to get bug out of the response for bug out of the response map. All right, so I hope that helps. So let me know if you have any questions about that.